Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Let's learn their names. The first one is a cow. C is for cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. T is for tiger. The next one is elephant. E is for elephant. This is elephant. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. This is a horse. This is a horse. Horse. This is a duck. This is a duck. D is for duck. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit.